domestic air and domestic sea travel.
The coronavirus was confirmed in a couple of new countries today. The Philippines has its first confirmed case.
Aabot na sa halos 100 at 3,000 ang kabuang kaso ng COVID-19 sa Pilipinas.
Symptoms.
An ongoing outbreak of infection by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, termed as COVID-19, aroused the attention of the entire world. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. An infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. To date, there are no specific vaccines or medicines for COVID-19. Treatments are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials.
So what are we gonna do to prevent the spread of coronavirus disease?
The COVID-19 pandemic requires that we remain vigilant in our everyday lives. We can each take some simple steps to help slow the spread of coronavirus disease. First step is to wash your hands often with plain soap and water. Washing your hands is easy and it's one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. If soap and water are not readily available, you can use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 70% alcohol. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed or exposing others to this virus.
Next step is to cover your mouth and nose with a cloth face covering or non-surgical mask when around others. Wearing cloth face covering or non-surgical mask in public place can help to slow the spread of the virus. They can help keep people who may have the virus and do not know it from transmitting it to others. Cloth face covering are recommended as a simple barrier to help prevent respiratory droplets from traveling into the air and into other people when you cough, sneeze, or talk.
Avoid crowds and practice social distancing. Stay at least 6 feet apart from others. Stay home as much as possible and avoid close contact with people who are not from your household, even if they don't appear sick, in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Some people without symptoms may be able to spread the coronavirus. We should limit social gatherings as much as possible.
The pandemic has affected the entire food system and enslaved its fragility. The pandemic has decimated jobs and placed millions of livelihoods at risk. As breadwinners lose jobs, fall ill, and die. Many people have also experienced psychological problems, and with this experience, we should be able to help each other out and do make change for the world.
Be informed, stay healthy. Let's fight COVID-19. Laban lang, Pilipinas!